Hi, welcome everyone.
We're gonna make a paper aeroplane. We're gonna make a paper aeroplane, but I don't know how my dad's gonna make it.
Right everyone, so what you do is you need to get yourself an A4 piece of paper, right? Then you're gonna take an A4 piece of paper, fold it in half, like so. Make sure the corners are touching, right? You with me? Okay, take your finger and run it around down there, make it flat. Make it flat, 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 right. Okay, so it's gonna look like that, right? Then you take this corner,
It looks like a book.
it looks like a book, landscape. That's landscape, that's, no, sorry, that's portrait, that's landscape.
Yeah.
So it has to be portrait. Okay, then you take this corner, what you got? It's turning 10, by the way. So, okay, so you take this corner and you put it, you fold it over into the middle of that piece. Like that. You do the same on the other side.
It's just a movie.
What movie?
The one that you were watching us all about.
Lord of the Rings. Okay, so you do something like that, right? Then once you've done that, you take it and you fold it over again into the middle. So there's like,
I see the vision.
see the vision? Oh, do you? Good. Alright, then you do that on this side, and then it looks like that. Then you take the middle and you fold it in half, so that it looks like that. Okay, you with me? You with me?
Yeah.
Right, then you take this part and you fold it over so that it meets the edge there, like that. And that's going to be your one wing. Okay, then you do it again, and that's your other wing. And there you have a paper airplane. You want to give it a test? Bam! And that's how you make a paper airplane. Remember to
Like and subscribe.
what? Oh yeah, you can close it.
Like and skip.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. And remember to
No.
wash your hands, clean up after yourself. Thanks everyone.
Here's a plate